This work kind of stems from the concrete industry, mining industry. We're going to rebuild, put new wire meshing on, and reinstall. Come along for the ride. Hey everybody, this is Chandler Vincent with CRV Welding. We just wanted to show you a really cool project that we got going on in the shop today. This is some of my absolute favorite work. So this work kind of stems from the concrete industry, mining industry, and what I classify as weld repair services. So this is something that we specialize in, we love doing. Right here in front of us we have a separator that gets put on a batch plant that separates rock, water, gravel, and sand. And it lives a very rough life. I want to show you a little bit of some of the panels we've pulled out of it. This is what we're repairing here. So these different wear plates, you can see that over hours and hours and hours of running rock, you can see where it's just completely melted away the material. And so we have different wear plates that bolt up inside the separator so we can remove the wear plates and repair them without having to do much work to the separator itself. So we've got a couple pieces like this. There's another area I really want to show you that's really cool. So we're going to focus in right here. Right here is a perfect example of what happens when you install a hard facing rod on a plate. You can see this hex shape, the shiny area. That is an area that we hard faced with hard facing welding rod. What I think is really cool is you can see that the hard facing weld puddle has withstanded the abuse and the carbon steel underneath has started to wear, so it's almost given like a waffle texture there. And then here where you can see where the rock got the majority of the impact, it wore through the hard facing rod and the wear plate. So over here on the back side, we had a couple areas where we have two areas. This is one side, and then we got another hole over here where the wear plate was worn all the way through, and then it wore all the way through the separator itself. So our plan is to replate and repair these two areas that were damaged, and then we will rebuild new wear plates. Every section you see here, we're gonna rebuild, put new wire meshing on, and reinstall. And then when we're done, this separator section will be good to go for another couple years. So you're gonna see a big smile on my face. This is my kind of work. Come along for the ride. Let's go. Everybody, this project is going really well. I'm going to talk you through some of our process and how we've got to this point. So first thing we did is we removed the old and worn out wear plates so I could get dimensions off of them, and then we were able to design them on our CAD program and have our CNC plasma table cut them out, which is really efficient compared to hand cutting. So first thing I did is got those old wear plates out, got the new plates cut out on the plasma, and as you could see in some of our footage, what I did is I just overlaid the old wear plates on top of the new ones and just spray painted over the holes, which located the holes, and we were able to mag drill those separately after the fact. So as you can see here on the ground, we've got some of our new wear plates that's got the expanded metal welded onto them, and they are ready to be installed. So the reason why we do this expanded metal is the rock and the gravel and the dirt, as it's rolling through, actually fills inside the expanded metal void. So when the heavy rock and gravel is running down these wear plates, it's running on rock instead of rock on metal, if that makes any sense. So that's what the crucial role this expanded metal plays. It's kind of a consumable over time. We need to put new expanded on, but it's way better than rebuilding a whole separator. So on the separator, there was 2 locations that had gotten completely worn through. If you want to follow me over here. So we were able to install new plating where the exterior shell was damaged from the rock. So we replaced that section, and then we replaced this section over here. So you can see there's brand new metal here. We got the bolt holes re-drilled in these areas. And now my plan is to tip this thing upside down so all of the gravel that's on the inside falls out, so we have a clean surface to start installing the new wear plates. So come along, we're gonna get this thing wrapped up today. We're just bolting on wear plates, and we'll go get this back on the concrete plant and start making some concrete. Thanks for watching.